So hello folks, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm gonna share how you can integrate React Spinners npm package in your React website. So let's go step by step. So first of all, you have to install npm I React Spinner package in your React website. So I've already installed and imported that. I want circle loader. So if you want some different loader, let me show you. I can provide the URL of both the website in the description section. I ordered this Pacman loader. Let me go through the doc section. Yeah, this one, Pacman loader. So just follow the steps. So I'm already imported circle loader. Okay, let me change to Pacman. So it's custom hook loading, set loading. Actually, we will use state true. Just we, as you can know, just we can do similar like toggle button. You have seen in many website. When we toggle the click the button, it will toggle white theme to black theme just like that. Let me create use effect. Let me set loading finish true. Then set timeout. Give as a callback function. Delay. Set loading false. It works okay. This is format of loading. Some conditional. Hmm. Each color blue. Give last name. Just loader. Check. .cs loader. Okay. Now if it's true, then it will render this component sidebar. That's on cd sidebar current directory then npm run dev as plus enter plus. Let's see. Yeah, it's great. It's working fine. So if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me go through the code once again. First of all, step number one, you have to import the which type of load you want in your current website. Suppose I imported Pacman loader, then create I created custom hook load set loading. just like a toggle button. Use effect hooks, then give some delay of loader, then some conditional rendering. If loading is true, then delay, then it will render yours which your component you have imported. So let me refresh it once again. Yeah, as you can see, pacman loader, after some delay it will render your component UI. So it's working fine. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Happy React.